Hi, I'm Esther and I'm a co-founder of Paradise Garden on City Road. What I love about this venue is that I feel like I can speak to anyone here. I've met so many new friends.
We meet so many amazing people here. We have such a broad range of different artists, musicians, creatives that come in, and it's just that hub spot for people to connect and share their craft.
We've had so many amazing shows, it's quite hard to pick a favourite.
For me, the Part-Time Signals album launch show that we did here was a real standout.
You know it's a brilliant show when you've got nobody sat down and everyone's just up on the dance floor.
I think people should listen to Voyeur. They are amazing, and there's so many amazing artists in Cardiff to choose from. The support we've had from Cardiff Council has been really good because we can buy equipment instead of renting it, and it saved us a lot of money.
It's really helped us to expand the amount of live music that we do.
Going to a live show, especially here in an intimate venue like this, is bringing all these people that are sort of coming up in the music business, and then being able to share their craft with the community.
It's the difference between hearing a track on record and seeing a person in front of you. And I think the energy in that alone is so magical and amazing.
It's right in people's doorsteps as well. We're in Roath, we're not in the centre of town, so people that come here, they come here to see the music.
One thing that was really important to me is that I wanted to open the space up to people that are a bit older, so there isn't this sense that after you hit a certain age you can't go out and you can't enjoy music. I really think that music has no age limit.
Ultimately, this space really attracts creatives to kind of connect and socialise, and I don't think Cardiff really had many spaces that kind of provided that atmosphere.